Welcome friends. We are going to discuss on third part, stress strain diagram. So behavior of wire under continuously increasing load. We plot a graph between stress and strain. That is, we get curve as shown in figure like this. This is the stress. This side is strain. So O is the origin point, center point. So lines start from O to E. That is the follow the Hooke's law. We can give the details. That is what is in the figure actually. So OE portion is straight line. Show that the stress is directly proportional to strain. That is wire obeys Hooke's law. That is point E. At point E, stress is maximum without any permanent deformation. So this point is called as elastic limit of wire. Then next at point E and E dash, if load remove, then some permanent elongation occurs in wire. That point is called as set point. Next, that is point Y. In some portion, strain increases without increasing stress. This is called as plastic flow. Then wire going from plastic flow. The point at which plastic flow begin is called as yield point, which the point at which plastic flow begins, जहां से plastic flow start हो रहा है उस point को बोलेंगे yield point. Then at point D, stress is maximum is called as ultimate stress. And at point B, where breaking down, that is breaking stress. ये सब point आपको यहाँ पर देखने को मिलेंगे इस diagram में. E, E dash, Y, that is yield point, D and B. B is the breaking point, Y is the yield point, E to E dash, that is set point, and O to E, that is obey the Hooke's law, that is stress is directly proportional to strain. Next, some important definitions, that is yield point. A point at which strain increases in stress and the plastic flow just begin, that's called as yield point. Ultimate stress is defined as the ratio of maximum load that the specimen is capable of withstanding to its original cross-sectional area. That's called as ultimate stress. Next, breaking stress. It is maximum stress at which wire breaks. इतना stress कि जहाँ पर इस condition के बाद वो wire break हो जाता है. That's called as breaking stress. So working stress, it is defined as the ratio of actual load to the original cross-sectional area. And the last one, factor safety. Factor of safety is defined as the ratio of ultimate stress to the working stress. This is the important point. Factor of safety, that is the factor of safety is nothing but the ratio of ultimate stress to the working stress. Compressibility, it is defined as the reciprocal of bulk modulus of elasticity, that is compressibility is equal to 1 upon bulk modulus, that is minus sign indicating, that is negative increasing dV by V into dP. Compressibility is fractional changes in the volume per unit increasing pressure. So the unit of compressibility, that is meter square per Newton. Poisson's ratio. Within the elastic limit of a body, the ratio of lateral strain to the longitudinal strain is called as Poisson's ratio. That is lateral strain divided by longitudinal strain. Del D by D divided by small l by capital L. Negative sign shows that the longitudinal strain increases, the lateral strain decreases. Factor affecting on elasticity. That is, some factors can affect it on the electricity. First one, that is the temperature. If the temperature of a body increases, then the elasticity of material is decreases. Then impurities, when we're adding some impurities in the body or the material, it increases the compactness of material due to the elastic property of material also increases. So hammering and rolling, when the crystal are hammered or rolled, the regain size reduced to smaller unit that the result in increases in the elastic property of crystals. Recurring stresses. If repeated stress is applied on the same body, then the softening of material takes place and the increasing plasticity and hence decreases the elasticity. Some questions on this topic. So like this. The elastic limit of the maximum stress to which the body can be subjected, that is first option, with permanent deformation, without permanent deformation, without partial deformation, with partial deformation. That is answer is without permanent deformation. That's called as elastic limit. SI unit of stress is, that is Newton per meter square. The ratio of lateral strain to the longitudinal strain is called as Poisson's ratio, and the ratio of change in diameter to the original diameter is called as strain. So the questions can comes like this. Thank you.